Rocket Project is a great tool for managing your own tasks, but where it excels is in the delegation of tasks across multiple iPhone, iPod and iPads. It combines the most positive features of existing market leaders and also contains the key tools that users have been screaming for. Say you want to have a marketing meeting on the 1st of August at 10:30 and you want Janet to send out papers a week in advance. Click on Add Task. Type in Team Meeting. Add it to the marketing project already set up as a project category. Set the due date to the 1st of August. Then set the due time for 10:30. Write a note. Please send out papers a week in advance. Then click on Send. Pick Contact Janet Ash. A detailed email will be generated. You can add an additional note to the email if you want to. Then send the email. Your task screen now shows that you have delegated a task to Janet Ash. In Janet's, she receives from you a Rocket email which tells her about the task. She captures the task and is given the choice to accept or reject it. If she accepts, an email is sent back to you with her decision and the task is added into her task list. Rocket Project is intelligent and has several automatic reminders. The task can be seen immediately by date in her calendar. When the task is due, it will automatically show 1 day in advance in her tomorrow's list. This is so you know what's on for tomorrow before tomorrow comes. On August the 1st, it will show in Janet's today list, and then goes red when it's overdue and appears in an overdue list so Janet can quickly flick to see what she's missed. To help you manage your family, team or staff, it also does all of this in your list. Then if she clicks on Task, Janet now has all the details. She can see what the task is, the project it pertains to, the due date, and that it's a task delegated from Richard. She can also see all the notes. If Janet wants, she can now add a show before date for 1 week so the task will show before the due date in her to-do list to remind her to send out the papers. She can also set a push alarm to remind her, say half an hour before the meeting, so at 10 a.m. If she wanted, she could set it up as a repeated task in one simple keystroke. All super simple and logical to do. Now, looking at your Rocket project, you receive the acceptance of the task from Janet and capture it. This now shows in your calendar and also shows that you have delegated it to Janet and that she has accepted it. Rocket Project will also let you know when it's due and overdue. You don't need the show before like Janet, but what you do need is a push alarm, half an hour before the meeting to prepare. So Rocket Project is designed to allow you to have different reminders and alarms to meet your individual needs. Later, when Janet completes the task, it's easy to check it off. Rocket Project automatically asks her if she wants to send an update to let you know and prepares an update email. In your email, you receive the update and capture it into Rocket Project, where it updates your list to show that the task is completed. You can keep a record of whether the task is complete for reporting purposes if required. If the task isn't done, you get to see a reminder a day before it's due, and then if you want, you can send an auto-reminder email to chase the task up. Rocket Project has many other features, like auto put-offs, default settings, someday features. However, it maintains simplicity combined with effective functionality as its defining rule. Getting tasks done has never been easier.